Hello viewers, you're welcome to Simplified English Grammar. Today we'll be talking about interjection. If you are familiar with my channel, you observe that we have dealt intensively on other parts of speech. And here we are going upward. Remember, we are moving from the cradle to the peak, and today is no exception. So follow me on this interesting class on interjection. What is interjection? An interjection is a word that is used to express emotions, surprise. It does not have any grammatical relationship to other words in the sentence. It has no relationship with them. They are usually sounds rather than words, and they are always followed by an exclamation mark. For example, ah, oh, help, alas. Ha, ha, ha. Have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Now, let me give you some examples in a sentence form. Follow me. Here we have, oh God, he didn't make it. That is splendid. Help, she's dying. This is fantastic. Wow, he got it right. I guess you have learned something today. If you have not been following us, please do well to follow us on our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Thank you very much for viewing. See you in our next episode where we'll be talking about conjunction. Bye.